Are you looking for the AI A-test? In recent years, the demand for organic superfood powders has skyrocketed as health-conscious consumers seek convenient, nutrient-dense options to boost their wellness routines. These powders appeal to a wide range of users, from busy professionals to fitness enthusiasts who value clean, natural ingredients packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants.
Product number 1, Vibrant Health Green Vibrance, includes 65 plant-based superfoods, 25 billion probiotics per serving, making it a powerhouse for digestive health and overall vitality. This formula includes greens, fruits, vegetables, and grasses designed to boost energy and support immune function. Its rich probiotic content aids gut health, crucial for nutrient absorption and immune defense. While the taste is mildly grassy, many users find it palatable when mixed with juice or smoothies. Its comprehensive ingredient profile and proven efficacy make Green Vibrance a top choice for those looking to nourish their bodies naturally. Product number 2, Vibrant Health Green Vibrance Vegan Superfood Powder Boost Energy, 60 servings. Another stellar option from Vibrant Health, this vegan Green Vibrance powder packs the same 65 plant-based superfoods but emphasizes clean, vegan-certified ingredients without artificial fillers. Designed to enhance energy and endurance, it contains potent antioxidants and adaptogens that help the body respond to stress. With 60 servings per container, it offers great value for daily use. Users report feeling more energized and focused, with noticeable improvements in digestion. This superfood powder's balance of taste and nutrient density makes it ideal for vegan and health-conscious consumers seeking a reliable energy boost.
Product number 3, Peak Performance Organic Reds Superfood Powder. Best tasting organic red juice superfood with 25+ all-natural ingredients. Peak Performance Organic Reds Superfood Powder stands out for its delicious, tangy flavor derived from a blend of organic red fruits and vegetables. Featuring 25+ all-natural ingredients like beetroot, acerola cherry, and pomegranate, it's loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Perfect for those who prefer a fruity taste in their supplements, it blends smoothly into water, smoothies, or juices. This powder supports cardiovascular health, boosts energy, and enhances recovery after workouts. Its organic certification and clean ingredient list make it an excellent choice for individuals focused on both taste and nutrition.
Product number 4, Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Plus 50 Superfoods Powder Vanilla Bean, 21 grams plant-based protein, 8 grams of prebiotic fiber. Orgain's Organic Vegan Protein Plus 50 Superfoods Powder combines plant-based protein with an impressive mix of 50 organic superfoods, making it a powerful all-in-one nutritional supplement. Each serving delivers 21 grams of protein along with 8 grams of prebiotic fiber to support digestion and muscle recovery. The vanilla bean flavor is smooth and mild, easily mixing into shakes, oatmeal, or baking recipes. This powder is ideal for athletes, vegans, and anyone wanting a clean protein source with added superfood benefits. Its balanced formulation offers both energy and gut health support, making it a versatile daily supplement.
Product number 5, Kate Naturals Organic Beetroot Powder for smoothies, baking, and juice. Raw Beetroot Superfood. Kate Naturals Organic Beetroot Powder is a simple yet potent superfood option made from raw organic beetroot powder, perfect for smoothies, juices, or baking. Known for its natural nitrates, beetroot supports enhanced blood flow, stamina, and cardiovascular health. This powder offers a natural, earthy flavor that works well in a variety of recipes, adding both color and nutrition. It's an excellent choice for those seeking a targeted superfood to improve workout performance and overall vitality. With no added fillers or preservatives, it's a pure and affordable way to incorporate beetroot's benefits into your daily routine.